Hi, I'm Ronel from Revamp Property Styling. Today is a very exciting day. I'm going to talk about my favorite room in the house, the bedroom, because this is the one you can have so much fun with. Normally clients ask me, what color should my bedding be? And it's great to use what you already have, but I really recommend using something more neutral, soft tones. My personal favorite, of course, white bedding. White bedding represents a hotel boutique style look. They look amazing on photos. So go clean, crisp, buy some new ones, really invest. I'd recommend if you can. Keep it nice, neutral, simple. Thanks.
Thanks so much for watching this video. Remember, if you liked it, press thumbs up and subscribe to get more videos like this. See you next time for more fantastic home improvement tips. Bye.